You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, American rapper name, correctly. For more music, celebrity names, stay tuned to the channel. We got tons more coming up that are confusing too. Big X, generally referred to simply as Big X the plug. Big X the plug. Yes, that's how you say it. I know it may look a little bit confusing, but that's how you say it. Big X the plug. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.